Meaning of mansion.
Mansion. Mansion.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A large and impressive house, typically one that is isolated or stands in its own grounds. 2. A dwelling place, especially a grand or luxurious one. 3. In biblical use, a dwelling place in heaven or hell. Examples. 1. The mansion was surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens. 2. He lived in a mansion on the outskirts of town. Verb obsolete. Definitions. 1. To dwell or reside in a place. 2. To settle or establish oneself in a particular place. Examples. 1. From 1483 in a medieval manuscript, Thou shalt mansion in this vale of tears. 2. From 1526 in a book of prayers, Lord, Thou wilt mansion in our heart.
Mansion. Mansion.